I saw this rudder online and I liked the design of the blade, so I decided to make one out of 1.5 inch PVC. What I do is I take the piece of pipe and I slice it down one side, heat it, I lay it flat, put a board over it, stand on it or put something heavy on it. This is a 50-pound weight I'm using here. You'll see me use that 4-inch PVC that's off to one side there. I straighten out one side and get my design from that. And here's my final design. I put this rod in here before I folded it so that I'd have a gap to where the rudder can go up and down. That's what it looks like from the top. This is my design process where I'm drawing stuff and coming up with designs. These little dots here is where it's going to fold for the steering. I have designed 3 other rudders. These are pictures of the links. I'll add the links in the description here at the end. I decided I'm going to cut that little wing off because it was not of any use to me. The whole thing's made of PVC. I created this arm for pulling the rudder up so it kind of lifts, and I'm going to have the rudder in the up position so it doesn't interfere with storage or kayak crate or what have you, because most rudders stick way into the back of the kayak. So this is my final design. That blue pipe is for hydrodynamics. If you've watched this far, I think I've earned a like, maybe a subscribe. Hell, send me $1.